Have you ever thought about all the time that you want to invite friends over, but you don't have the space in your house? Or maybe you have an extendable dining table, but you don't feel like you want to turn your house upside down, going down in the basement, take the extension. So I thought about a solution for you, which is perfect. It is a solid wood table that you can extend in a few minutes, and I would like to show you how. So first, you can raise the table at different heights, as you can see here, according of your needs. So if you'd like to have a coffee, to work with your laptop, or just to have dinner or lunch with your friends and guests. Then you have to lock the table with a lever, which is under here. And now you can unhook the legs that are attached with a magnet. So it's very easy. You just go down, take the legs and pull it down like this. Now with your foot, you can place your foot on the table to help you push and open the table. Like this. Here there is one lever. You can lock the table at different lengths according to how many guests you want to accommodate. So like this, or this is the second one, and the last one. So here you have a table that can accommodate up to 13 people. And here the extension, just right here, the first one has a beautiful image that you can personalize as you wish. So they are very light extension, just 5 kilos each. So the first one, you put it here, will be the last one. Then you have the second one. And be careful about the holes that are designed to hook to unlock the extension at the table. So here you can press the first one. You have a Velcro over here to block them. And then the last one. Okay. So here you have the holes that are well designed to lock the table. And then you press one, you press two, and then the last one. Okay, so now you have a solid beech wood table that is so durable, so resistant. It will last over years. And the best thing is that we customize for you this table. So you can choose whatever wood finish you like, from elm, American cherry, oak, the finish you really like. Then we have so many different inlays that you can choose to customize this table, because it's not a standard production table, but it is made by our artisan in LG Lesmo.